Hello everyone, I am Shabana and I am taking your English class. Welcome to RDS online classes. Before starting our topic of the day, write down the thought of the day. And today's thought is that we can judge the heart of a man by his treatment with animals. We can judge the heart of a man by his treatment with animals. Yes, now we come to the topic of the day, and our topic for today is present perfect progressive tense. In the previous lectures, I have told you about simple present tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense. And today we have taken present perfect progressive tense. This tense is also called the present perfect continuous tense. There is usually a connection with the present or now. We use present perfect continuous tense to talk about past actions recently stopped or past actions that are still continuing. And we often use this tense with since and for, because this tense usually emphasizes duration or the amount of time that an action has been taking place. So we will usually use for and since with this tense. The only difference between perfect continuous and only continuous tense is that in continuous tense, emphasis on time is not given, but in present perfect continuous tense, we are giving emphasis to the duration or the amount of time that an action has been taking place. Now, coming to the formula of this tense, write down the formula, please, all of you. The formula is subject plus has been or have been plus verb ki first form plus ing plus object, and the main point is we use since or for and then we use the time period. Coming to the examples, taking the same examples again and again to make things very clear, we'll start with the examples. Please note down, for example, he has been going to school since 10 March. We have been going to school since July. I have been going to school for 7 months. She has been playing football since July. They have been playing football since noon. Ram has been playing football for 2 hours. Sita has been playing football since 2018. So the main point here is since and for. Now, where we use since and for. So I'll tell you about the use of since and for. We use since for point of time. Since is used for a point of time and for is used for a period of time. We use since for a point of time and we use for a period of time. For example, we use since 3 o'clock, since Monday, since 10 March, since July, since night, since yesterday, since morning, etc. And as I've told you that we use for a period of time. So for 3 hours, for 2 weeks, for 7 months, for 2 years, etc. Now use, where we use this past perfect continuous tense. So note down the uses here, please. We use it with an action that began sometime in the past and is still continuing. The action, it started in the past but it is still continuing. For example, those saints have been singing hymns for half an hour. They started singing their hymns half an hour before, but the action is still continuing. They are still singing their hymns. Since when we have, you have been suffering from the disease. Since when have you been suffering from the disease? So that means the ailment is from a past few time. So we are asking that since when are you suffering from this ailment? Since when are you suffering from this disease? Okay, because it had started in the past and is continuing today. So for such type of tenses, such type of sentences, we use present perfect continuous tense or present perfect progressive tense with the actions being repeated by now. Malab, the actions they have been started in the past and they are regularly repeated now also. They have been going to evening classes in physics. So they had started their evening classes for physics in recent past and they are still continuing. They have been going to their evening classes in physics. Now, with the actions, situations that has just stopped. We also use present perfect continuous tense with the actions that has just stopped. For example, she looks sad. Yes, she has been weeping. She looks sad. Yes, she has been weeping. I hope the topic's clear. We'll meet again with simple past tense. Have a good day, all of you.